This tutorial is for cropping and resizing your image for the web. So you should be logged in already. This is how you're watching the video with your account up here. And the first thing you need to do is go to this app thing on your left hand side. Click on that because we need a new program in here for you to do yours with. So we're going to go to Web Store like that. And I want you to type in up here photo, and there should be an editing program, editor, like that. And you're going to get a list here, and hopefully, and of course this changes all the time, the FOTOR photo editor is the one that we want. This one's really simple and easy to use, and that's why I like it. So we're going to push add, and then we're going to add that to our account, and then it's going to show up right there. And once it shows up, you want to click on it, and like I said, this is a really easy program. It does things real simple for us, so I think it's going to work really quickly for what we need to do, because we really just need to crop the photo and make it small enough so that we can put it on the web for our final project. So the first thing you want to do is open your account. Now, when it opens up, yours might look different from this. It might, I don't know, I'm going to put it there. It might have something else up there, but you need to hit this little blue arrow right there, and you're going to get a set of things on your desktop. Now, one of these little, I call them like little wallies, one of these little wally things is going to say student, and one's going to have your number on it. And unfortunately, I logged in as myself here, so it doesn't have the student number that I'm working on. So let me ignore this part, but you're going to hit the one that looks like your number. There we go. All right. And so when you click on that and look at your number, it's going to look like this. It's going to have a list of photos or anything else you've saved in your classroom on here. Now, to view the photos, all you have to do is go over here to this little blue window box and hit thumbnails. And when you hit thumbnails, you're going to be able to see your artwork. Now, if you don't have much artwork in here, it probably means you didn't save them over the years, or somehow they got lost. And I have something for you to do, that extra thing for people. All right, so what we're going to do here is I'm going to choose a couple works of art that I think are my best, that I want to go on the website for my final curator project. And I really like my face painting that I did, so I'm going to click on that. And it takes a second because it's a pretty big photo, so it's going to take a second to load up. And there it goes. And the first thing you might want to do is just rotate it. So you click on this, and it's got some real nice, easy things. You can flip it left or flip it right, but you're going to use one of these, probably clockwise like that. The next thing you want to do is hit crop. So I'm going to go up here and hit crop. And I'm going to take the edges of here, and I'm going to click and drag. Now the painting wasn't exactly straight on there, but that's okay. As long as I get the face in there, I'm happy. I'm going to make sure I get that nose in. I'm going to hit apply, and then it's going to be big like that. I can still, change it a little bit. I can actually change it by each pixel. I'm not going to worry about that. Most of you can do that. Now it's cropped. If you wanted to fine-tune it, make it a little lighter. If if it's on a white piece of paper, it might be dark because of the camera. You could do that, but really, you're done at this point. Just crop it. And I need you to resize it, though. Now, this is the number that we really need. The largest length that you can have is 200, and the good thing is it keeps it proportional. When I get 200, it goes the same size smaller. So that's really important. So 200 is there. Now, if you have a landscape picture, something like your still life picture, it's going to be short, but that's okay. And so, okay, now I've resized it, and really I'm done with this photo, but I need to save it. So up here, this little thing that says save, it looks like a little squarey thing there. You're going to click on that. I'm going to save it to my computer, and we're going to save it to the same spot, and hopefully it'll go back to your number at the top like that. And I would call this art oops, not art B, art 1. And that way, when I go to put it on the web, I'll know which one is my first photo, because you're going to get 2 photos like this.